Hello everyone, this is a Shark Lift Away vacuum. It works really well, and sorry, I have on a tripod right now. In case I need to get in front of the camera and work and find out what's going on while trying to put it back together. Oh, let me tighten it. There. Let's take it apart, shall we? This is the box where it takes the dust that and how to throw it away. You open it, but it's empty right now. It's empty right now. So I'm getting to. Also, I got to cleaning it, and this is maybe the thing that keeps it from moving. Sorry, I'm just gonna put it down. Let me get the wires out of the way. Let me get the wires out of the way. There. This is the pipe where. No, let me lift. There. This is the pipe. Let me take that apart for you. Let me see if I can get that apart. What the heck's going on there? I don't mind if you think the hard part is funny. I just thought I heard the video stop, but I have much memory on it. Oh, there it goes. I got it. I was supposed to pull it. My mistake. Nah. Does this even come off? Alright, I'm gonna show you the bottom right there. Lower this thing. This is the spinner right there. And these are the wheels to help so it could let you move it. Now there is the this is those brushes right there. Let me move it close so you can see it. See, these are the brushes. And you can see this is the spinner right there. I could loosen the tripod if I wanted to. It would just, because if I like the loosen thing, I'll make a video on it whenever I show you. Like it fall, like it wouldn't stay still, but if I spin it and, wait, oops, wrong way. if I tighten it, it stays. It sounds like you can hear touching, you can hear me touching it, and it sounds like I'm not touching it, and then it stays. But let's continue on the vacuum tutorial. You can see that this is the thing that sucks in. This is the thing that sucks it in, and come take a look. Now you see it goes right in here. Now look, this must be the cleaner, but I'm just gonna. I think that's the cleaner. I think it's definitely the cleaner right there. I don't know what that is for. That's so weird. But what this one, the dust goes in, it goes right in the pipe, and then comes out of this hole. It comes out, and there you can see. It could come right. It goes right down there, and then let me turn. And then it comes out the hole. Wait, excuse me. Sorry about that. It comes right out of the hole. And this is the plugger this is the button that tells it, that turns it on, and then I'll do a video on it, but I'm just gonna put it back together, and let me make sure I got it on the wrong side. Hopefully I mean on the right side, excuse me. Ooh, keep saying the wrong names. That's funny, isn't it? That's funny, isn't it? And then I'm gonna try. I'll say I'm gonna put it back together. Here we go. So this is how you put it. But watch this. If you vacuum it, it might come off, but just watch see, it comes off if you vacuum. So this is why. So I'm gonna turn the camera around. There, you put it on, and then you snap it, and then wait, hold on. Oh, there, my mistake. There, and now it won't come off. Just watch this. Just pull it. Make sure after it snaps, you pull it. Make sure it won't come off. And there we could put, and then we just put this one back on. You see, that's and then you just lean it and put it back on, and then it snaps. There you go. But don't leave that off. But let me show you again. But don't leave that on, because if you do, it's not gonna work. Oh wait, that's kind of a good way to do it. I've never thought about that. Well, that is it for this video. I will get to the video where it's fixed probably in a week or so, but stay tuned for that, because I have like a room cleaning to do after this video, or like other things, so I may come back in a week or so. So stay tuned for it.